Today we are going to learn some important questions regarding surveying. And now the first question is main principle of field surveying is to work from. Here the basic principle of surveying is that option A work from whole to part, option B work from part to whole, option C lower level to higher level, option D none of the above. And the correct answer is option A work from whole to part. And we are going to the next question. And our second question is when curvature of the earth is taken into account, then the type of surveying is known as. That means here they are mentioning particularly the curvature of the earth is taken into account. And the options are A theodolite survey, B plane table survey, C hydrographic survey, D geodetic survey. And the correct answer is D geodetic survey. And we are going to the third question. Particularly hydrographic surveying that deals with mapping. That means hydro. Here itself defines the hydro. Hydro means water. So options river system, B large water bodies, C canal system, D none of the above. And the third one, the correct answer is large water bodies. And now we are going to the fourth question, which is an important question. In survey area, the upper limit in plain survey is up to in terms of kilometers. In survey area, the upper limit in terms of kilometers, that is option A 200 kilometers, option B 195 kilometers, option C 250 kilometers, option D 275 kilometers. And the correct answer is option C 250 kilometers. And we are going to the next question, fifth question. Which is the smallest scale given below? This is also one of the important questions. This question was asked many times in many exams. And option 1 is to 1000, option B 1 is to 2000, option C 1 is to 50, option D 1 is to 3000. Here they particularly mentioned about smallest. So here many people will confuse that smallest means 1 is to 50, but no, here smallest means it's the reverse, that is 1 is to 3000 is the correct answer. In the same way, for confusing purpose, they were mentioning which is the largest scale as mentioned below. That means here previously they asked smallest, so now they are asking largest. Largest means it's a reverse order. That means we have to go with smallest number. So option A 1 is to 3000, option B 1 is to 4000, option C 1 is to 25, option D 1 is to 2500. So as I told that largest means we have to go in a reverse way, that is equal to option C 1 is to 25. And here the next we are going for the seventh question. What is the maximum error on drawing should not be greater than in mm? Here regarding error in drawing, that should not be more greater than in some mm, that we will see option A 0.25, option B 0.01, option C 0.001, option D 0.20. And here the correct answer is 0.25. 0.25 is the correct answer. And here we are going for the next question. Particularly in geodetic survey, the surface of earth is considered as? Here particularly they are mentioning geodetic survey. So here in that surface of earth is considered as, and here the option A vertical, option B horizontal, option C inclined, option D curved. And here the correct answer is option D curved. And we are going to the ninth question. Optical survey is based on the principle in terms of construction. So in terms of construction, the optical square is based on the principle of option A double reflection, option B reflection, option C refraction, option D none of the above. And here the correct answer is option A double reflection. And we are going for the next question. If you really like this video, if you want more on important questions, please subscribe my channel. And here next question, how many number of links in metric chain per meter? Here particularly they are mentioning about number of links in metric chain. Option A 5, option B 3, option C 6, option D 2. And the correct answer is option A 5. 5 is the correct answer. And we are going for the next question, and these all questions were repeated many times in many competitive exams, so please be follow each and every question. These topmost 25 questions are very important, don't skip it, watch total full length video. And 11th question, correction of sag. Option A always positive, option B always negative, option C either positive or negative, option D none of the above. And here the correct answer is option C either positive or negative, either positive or negative. Here the next question, how many links are there in 30 metric chain? Here particularly they are mentioning about 30 meters metric chain. So option A 100, option B 120, option C 150. How many links? Option D 200. So the correct answer is option C 150 links for 30 meter chain. And next question, instrument used for setting out of right angles is option A prism square, option B clinometer, option C offset rod, option D none of the above. And here the correct answer is option A prism surface. Instrument used for setting out right angles is prism meter. This is also one of the important question. And here the next question, engineer's chain is dash meters length. That means engineer's chain is dash meters length. That is option A 35, option B 30.48. In terms of meters, already they mentioned meters length. Option C 33, option D 29. And the correct answer is 30.48 meter is the correct answer. And the next question, whole circle bearing system varies from. Here many times this question were asked in many exams. So here the particularly quadratic bearing and whole circle bearing, two types of bearings are there. In this particularly here they are mentioning whole circle bearing. So option A 0 degrees to 360 degrees, option B 0 degrees to 90 degrees, option C 90 degrees to 45 degrees, option D none of the above. And here particularly whole itself defines 360 degrees. So option A is correct for 0 degrees to 360 degrees. And for quadratic bearing it was 0 degrees to 90 degrees. And we are going to the next question, inclination of pass needle to horizontal towards the pole is known as? Option A, azimuth. Option B, declination. Option C, dip. Option D, bearing. And the correct answer is dip. Dip is the correct answer. Ratio from focal length to stadia interval is known as? Option A, subtractive factor. Option B, staff interval. Option C, multiple factor. Option D, additive factor. And the correct answer is multiplying factor is the correct answer for the ratio from focal length to the stadial interval. And we are going to the next question. What is the least count of theodolite? Is the least count here theodolite least count is option A 2 seconds, option B 30 seconds, option C 20 seconds, option D 3 seconds. Here the correct answer is option C 20 seconds is the correct answer. Minimum number of satellites available in GPS is? What are the minimum number of satellites available in GPS? Option A 4, option B 2, option C 3, option D 6. And here the correct answer is 4. This is also one of the important question. All questions are important. These were asked in many exams, but in that particularly some questions are repeating many times. So I am showing it as in a star mark. And next question. The shape of ridge line is? Option A Z shape, option B S shape, option C U shape, option D R shape. And it was uniform shape, that is U shape. U shape is the right answer. Which type of slope shown by parallel counter line? Option A uniform, option B flat, option C round, option D steep. And the correct answer is uniform. Uniform slope shows by parallel counter line. Which type of method of contouring is suitable for hilly terrains? Particularly you are mentioning which type of method is used in contouring is suitable for hilly terrains. Option A tachometry method, option B cross section method, option C square method, option D none of the above. And here the correct answer is tachometry. Tachometric method is the correct answer for contouring is suitable in hilly terrains. And the next question, 2-point and 3-point problems are related to which method? Here they are mentioning 2-point, 3-point problems are related to which method? Option A radiation, option B resection, option C traversing, option D intersection. And the correct answer is option B resection method. This is also one of the important questions asked in many exams. And the next question, height of any point with respect to MSL. MSL means mean sea level is known as? Option A datum, option B reduced level, option C level surface, option D none of the above. And the correct answer is option B reduced level. And here the last question, 25th question, Which type of quantity is measured using planimeter? Which type of quantity is measured using planimeter? Option A, volume. Option B, weight. Option C, area. Option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is option C, area is the correct answer. If you like this video, please subscribe and please like, and if possible please share the video, and please comment. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, don't forget, please subscribe. Thank you.